sick of your wheels being the same color? Today we're going to show you how to paint your wheels. Painting your wheels is a cheap and easy way to upgrade the look of your car. You can make stock rims look nice, or you can upgrade your steel wheels. Things you're going to need for this job: wheels, wheel paint, masking tape, isopropyl alcohol, some rags, and some cue cards or advertisements you get in the mail. Magazine pages work good too. Start by removing the wheel from the vehicle and place it on the ground. Begin by sanding any rust or old paint off of the rim. Make sure you get every surface on the wheel, including the lip and the rim. If your wheels are rusty, consider using a rust converter or rust paint instead of regular paint. Sand in a circular motion on top of the wheel. Once the wheel is back to bare metal and has no rust on it anymore, you can begin masking. Once you're finished sanding, you're going to want to wipe down the surface with isopropyl alcohol. In the video I used water, and that didn't really work out because it just reactivated the rust on the wheel. Definitely use isopropyl alcohol or wax and grease remover instead. Begin masking the wheel by placing the flashcards in between the rim and the bead of the tire. Then add some masking tape to the valve stem. Spray paint is finicky, so make sure it's mixed well by shaking it up plenty. You should see some dents in the bottom of the can. And make sure that it's not cold. It should be about room temperature, about 20 degrees Celsius. I don't know what Fahrenheit it is, so good luck with the conversion. You're going to want to spray a nice base layer first, so go in a nice even coating. As you can see in the video, I am not doing that. Once finished, you should have a nice evenly coated surface. This rim we didn't prep properly. You can see there's still marks in it. This is oil and dirt that was left from not cleaning it off well. This of course makes the preparation stage all the more important. A wheel that's been prepped properly should look like this, perfectly smooth with no spots. Evenly apply paint to your rim. There's two theories on how to spray paint things properly. The first way is by applying light and even coats multiple times to get a nice finish. The second way is going slightly heavier. I do this way in the video, mostly because I don't care too much. These are steel rims. If you get some nice alloys you're painting, I'd recommend the first way. Spray your paint in a circle, or in the shape of the wheel. This will help it have a nice even finish. A good tip is to have the wheel on the ground, facing down. This way, if you do get any runs or drips, they'll just drip right into the rim of the wheel and are unnoticeable. Once you get a hang of it, just go crazy. Who cares? The best place to do this is outside or in a well-ventilated area. Trust me, you don't want your lungs to match your wheels. It's not a good look. When you're finished spraying all the wheels, remove the masking and let them dry. Let them sit horizontally for a while to flash off, and then once they're mostly dry, put them up in the sun like this. This will help the wheels cure faster. This job is best did in the summertime or the warmer months. If you're doing it in the wintertime, do it inside your garage or inside your house somewhere. Just be prepared for the room to smell like spray paint for a little while. Let's do a little before and after. So we started off with a generic black rim, and now we have these nice gloss white ones. They look nice against the black of the tire and the light blue of the car. I like doing my winter wheels in white. Helps blend in with the snow and looks kind of neat. Thanks for watching the video. If you like more of this content, hit subscribe and the like button.